Hi there. For this video, we'll be talking about the FOIL method, or an acronym that you can use to quickly remember how to multiply binomials. So let us have an illustration. If we have a plus b times c plus d, recall that from a previous video, what we do is we distribute first this one in here and then this one out here to obtain AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. And so here comes the FOIL. So observe that A and C out here represents the first terms of the binomials out here. AD, on the other hand, represents the outside or the outer. This represents the terms out here and out here. So if we view it, it's like on the outside of these two binomials. BC, on the other hand, represents the inner terms, or these terms out here. And lastly, BD represents the last terms of the two binomials out here. Together, we obtain F, O, I, and L, or the FOIL method. Let's try to apply this in some examples. If we have 4x minus 5 times x minus 3, then first we have the first terms, 4x and x, so we'll have 4x times x plus the outer terms, 4x and negative 3, so we'll have 4x times negative 3. We then have the third term, which is the inner rather, which is negative 5 and x. So we'll have negative 5 out here times x. And lastly, the last terms, which are negative 5 and negative 3. So let's write out negative 5 and negative 3. Simplifying, we obtain 4x raised to, we can treat this as exponents of 1, so that is 1 plus 1, plus, or rather minus, since 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative 12x, and the inner is negative 5x, and the last term is plus 15. Simplifying further, out here, we obtain 4x squared, and then this one out here, since they are like terms, we combine them to become negative 17x, and lastly, for 15, we just copy it down. And so this is the answer for this one. Let's try one last example. If we have 2y squared plus 2 times 3y plus 5. Again, the first terms, 2y squared and 3y. So we'll have 2y squared times 3y plus the outer terms, which is 2y squared and 5. So we'll have 2y squared times 5 plus the inner terms, 2 and 3y. So that is 2 times 3y. And the last term, which are 2 and 5. So we'll have 2 times 5 out here. Simplifying this, we have 2y, should be 6y. Then the exponents are 2 and 1 out here. So that is 2 plus 1 plus 10y squared plus 6y plus 10. And simplifying further, we can still simplify this one out here to obtain 6y cubed plus 10y squared plus 6y plus 10. And that is the answer for this one. And so that is how we multiply binomials and apply the FOIL method. Now in the next videos, we are probably gonna be focusing on some special products, such as the difference of two squares, the perfect square trinomial, and the binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. We'll be focusing on these so that whenever we see a binomial and multiply it, we can quickly determine the answer, especially if the binomial is already like a plus b raised to 5, such. So that's it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment down below any comments, suggestions, and recommendations for the next videos. So that's it, and that's all for this video.